Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today I want to ask the question, how do we get a U visa certified? All right, how do we get a U visa certified? And what are we even talking about here when we say that, right? So the U visa is a visa essentially for people who have been the victims of certain crimes and who have cooperated or who have shown that they are willing to be helpful in the investigation or the prosecution of that crime. And so the first step in any U visa is to ask local law enforcement, the police, to certify, which basically means to sign off, saying that they agree that yes, you either have been or are being or will be in the future helpful in their investigation of the crime that you suffered from. All right. And so that's what the certification is. It's basically the signature from law enforcement. And in fact, some lawyers refer to it as the LEC, which stands for the Law Enforcement Certification. All right. But in our firm, we call it the certification. Other offices, and sometimes you'll hear it referred to as the quote unquote Sup B or the Supplement B. And that's really the name of the form itself. All right. So step one to do this, you would actually go to Google and go and type in the words I-918, and then you could put Supplement B as in boy, I-918 Supplement B, and see what comes up. And one of those links will be from USCIS.gov, which USCIS is the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service. Or if you just go straight to USCIS.gov to begin with, and you can put I-918 right there. The I-918 is the form to fill out a U visa. The Supplement B, which is like the supplement to the I-918 form, it is the certification itself. And so what you want to do, if you want to do a certification to send to a law enforcement, it's the Supplement B to the I-918 that needs to be signed by a certifying official in the Department of the Police where you had your bad thing happen to you. All right. And so step one, go to USCIS.gov and type in the word I-918. And then there in the instructions, you'll see the form that says I-918 Supplement B. Download it, fill it out with your information, and send it off to the police department so that they can sign it and certify that, yes, in fact, you were helpful in the investigation or the prosecution of the crime. When you send it off, I recommend including a copy of your police report. All right, and you can even highlight on your police report your name and what crime you were the victim of and things like that, so that it's super clear what you're looking for. All right, and yes, I do recommend we have better results for yourself. I do recommend that you do this with the help of an attorney, just so that you don't go through the process and then have some kind of mistake be on it. You want it done well. You don't want to have to do it a bunch of times. If the police department is willing to sign the thing, you don't want to bother them with having to follow up with them a bunch of different times. You want it done right the first time. And so that's really the benefit of working with a lawyer. But do you have to? No, you don't. And you could go through the steps that I just talked about to get the form, fill out that form, and then send it off to the certifying official. How do you know who the certifying official is? You and I, there's no way that either of us could know all the certifying officials in all the police departments throughout the country. And so you or I, what do we got to do? Pick up the phone and figure it out, right? Figure out, really, to start with, look on your police report, see what police department was in charge of that police report. Call them and say, hey, who's there, who's designated as the certifying official to certify a U visa? And then they'll either answer that question, or sometimes the police department, people answering the phone don't even know. And so sometimes it's like, okay, can you contact me with someone that's higher up who understands immigration stuff, who understands what the U visa is about? they can point me in the right direction of the certified official for your department. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching this. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And if it was helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Please give us a thumbs up to this video so that the internet understands that this type of content is useful, all right? And really, if you're going through a U visa, I hope that you don't go through it alone. And I highly recommend having a lawyer help you through the process. I'd love to be that person, and I'd love to have my firm help you with it. We've won hundreds of U visas for people throughout the United States. So feel free to give us a call if that makes sense for you. And yeah, that's it. Thanks again. Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Have a great day. Bye-bye.